Today we will discuss about the female reproductive system. It includes, it is located in pelvic region. It includes a pair of ovary, oviduct or fallopian tube, uterus, cervix, vagina, external genitalia and mammary glands. Now we will discuss each part in detail. Ovary are the primary sex organ in case of female. It produces ovum and other ovarian hormones. It is located in the lower abdominal region. It is connected by the ligaments to the pelvic walls and to the uterus. Each ovary is covered by epithelium and contains ovarian stroma. Oviduct. Oviduct is also called as fallopian tube. It extends from ovary to uterus. The part of each oviduct lying towards the ovary funnel shaped called infundibulum. It has finger-like projections called fimbriae. Infundibulum leads to ampulla and then into the isthmus, which is narrow lumen opening into the uterus. Now, uterus, garbhasay or womb, it is pear shaped. It is connected to pelvic walls by ligaments. Its uterine wall consists of external perimetrium, middle myometrium and inner endometrium, which lines the uterine cavity. The endometrium undergoes changes during the menstrual cycle. Now, next is cervix. Cervix and vagina. Cervix connects the uterus to vagina, and cervix and vagina constitute the birth canal. External genitalia consist of mons pubis, labia majora, labia minora, hymen, clitoris. Mons pubis is fatty tissue covered by the skin and pubic hair. Labia majora extend from mons pubis to the vaginal opening. Labia minora is fold of skin beneath the labia majora. Hymen partially covers the vaginal opening. Clitoris is the lies at the junction of labia minora. Mammary glands. Present in all female mammals. It is paired and glandular. It contains alveoli. Alveoli opens into the mammary tubules and unite to form mammary duct. Many mammary ducts constitute the mammary ampulla and connect to the lactiferous duct. Thus, we have completed this section. Next time we will discuss next topic. Thank you.